Joy T.A. Kumar, and you can call me Joy.
Hi, my name is Vince Francis Salde. You can call me Vince.
My name is Alison B. Agonias. You can call me Ali.
Hi, my name is Rosel J.D. Marcelo. You can call me Zel.
Hi, my name is Rana Isabel A. Peliana, and you can call me Rana.
We're here at Kawit, Cavite. And our first destination is the Emilio Aguinaldo Shrine, or the House of Emilio Aguinaldo. We are here at Aguinaldo Shrine, the ancestral home of Emilio Aguinaldo, our first president of the Philippines. Now, the home of Emilio Aguinaldo is a museum. Emilio Aguinaldo House was built 1845. Now let's explore the house of Emilio Aguinaldo that now is museum. We're here at the house of President Emilio Aguinaldo that now is a museum that called Aguinaldo Shrine. Again, this is the house. As you will see in the video, you will see the things of President Emilio Aguinaldo, also his room. And first President Emilio Aguinaldo. As you can see, this place is really historical because the Philippine flag raised here at Aguinaldo Shrine every June 12 each year. The flag raised here. This house constructed started year 1845 and renovated year 1849 and year 1990. Now we are here at the back of the house of Emilio Aguinaldo that now is a museum. And you can see the tomb of Emilio Aguinaldo of the back of the house.
We're here at the tomb of Emilio Aguinaldo, the first president of the Philippines. Emilio Aguinaldo was born year 1869 and died 1964.
We are here at Emilio Aguinaldo Freedom Park in front of Emilio Aguinaldo Shrine. Let me give you a short description of Emilio Aguinaldo Freedom Park. Emilio Aguinaldo Freedom Park, place of independence, Philippine Independence Day of June 12, 1898.
The site of proclamation of the Philippines refers to the place where Philippine independence was officially declared. This happened on Aguinaldo Shrine in Kawit, Cavite on June 12, 1898, when Emilio Aguinaldo proclaimed the country's independence from Spanish rule.
We are going to our next destination. We are here at Coffee Manila and we are going to take a break because it's so hot. And this location is between
Aguinaldo Shrine and Simbahan ng Maria Magdalena.
Now we are here at the Parish Church of Kawit, Cavite, the St. Mary Magdalene Parish, popularly known as Kawit Church. Did you know that this church is one of the oldest churches in the Philippines? With construction beginning in 1737, the chapel dedicated to Jesus' follower Mary Magdalene was the last refurbished by Kawit residents in 1990. Additional info for St. Mary Magdalene Parish that the president of the First Philippine Republic, Emilio Aguinaldo, was baptized in this church, and his birth certificate is housed on the left side of the altar. Also, the church is well known for its healing. The miracle life-size figure of Mary Magdalene in Kawit.
The diocesan shrine of Saint Mary Magdalene is one of the oldest church in province of Cavite. The patron saint here is Maria Magdalena ng Kawit, Cavite. I'm here in front of chapel. This is Maria Magdalena ng Kawit, Cavite.
Now we are here at Hidden Tapsihan.
Hey guys, we're here at Hidden Tapsian in Kawit. This is near Aguinaldo Shrine and this is just 5 to 10 minutes drive. So guys, we're done eating and I recommend this place. Maganda yung ambience niya and maganda yung lugar. Masarap yung pagkain, of course.
Again, my name is Rizal J. You can call me Zel.
Again, I'm Alison D. Alornas. You can call me Ali.
Again, my name is Prince Francis S. Salde. You can call me P.
Again, my name is Juan Isabel Italiana and you can call me Ram.
We are done for our educational
Tour.
On the way home, after we eat at the Hidden Tapsihan, we see the Sandido Tree at Tirana Monument. So, before I give you a little description about that, did you also know that this is optional tour for us because this place is excluded for our itinerary. So now I will give you some description about this monument. A tribute to a fallen hero of the Battle of Binakay. This monument honors Candido Tirona y Tria, born August 29, 1863 and died November 10, 1896. A Filipino revolutionary leader who participated in the Philippine Revolution. Thank you for joining with us for our one-day tour at Kawit, Cavite. I hope you learn and enjoy our vlog. See you in our next adventure and historical vlog.